bigla naman akong tinanong. Pwede mo makinom ng tubig? Kasi talagang kinakabahan ako. Ayun. Hello po! Bago ako muna kumanta, taga saan ba yung lahat? Sino ba yung pinakamalayo sa akin? Meron bang taga-Apare dito? Ano? Zamboanga. Germany. Wow. You know. Oh? Okay po. Hindi po tayo nagpunta ngayon para i-represent yung lugar. Tinanong ko lang. Anyway, dahil sa sobrang ganda ng mga songs ngayon, alam mo, sobra akong na-challenge sa pagpili ng aking spot. Sipin mo naman. Jude Mateta, Capiz, Jomaga, Sir Martin. Naisip ko, para hindi ko kayo ma-disappoint, na bumiyahe pa kayo ng napakalayo-layo. Nag-effort ako to research, you know. And feeling ko, ito yung magugusto. Feeling ko lang naman. In this very special day, I want to go back to the classics, OPM. Maki, hello po. Para yung mga nasa likod, kunwari ang dami kong fans. Direct! Yun. Ayun, wala na yung papako. Anyway, as you remember, I am part of a singing competition in the Philippines before I went to America on my dream. And this very artist believed in me by saying, alam mo, ikaw mismo ang maghahanap ng sarili mong swerte. Nakita niyo ba yun? Kunwari lang, yes, yes. And I want to honor him by singing some of his hits. Kasi nararapat naman, hindi ko pa siya nakita and I want to thank him. And tonight, I want to honor my mama. Saan kayo nakaupo yun? Saan kayo? Ayun. Pasensya ma, wala akong SVIP. Diyan lang muna kayo. Kaltas kasi sa akin. Anyway, I want to offer and I want to dedicate this song to my mama because she is the real definition of a champion. And to all mommies, mga mommies, kayong lahat dito are champion. Yes? Thank you po. Kakalayo ang tanging isip ko, walang masayang na sandali habang kita'y kasama. Kung tayo'y maging tapat ka ba? Ibigin mo pa kaya ako kahit ako'y malayo na. Sa ika'y malayo na. Huwag magtaka kung ako ay di na maghihintay ng anumang kapalit ng inalay kong pag-ibig. Kulang man ang iyong pagtingin. Maraming salamat po. Sure po ba yun? Dapat babae po yung ginanon niyo. Ang lahat sa'yo'y ibibigay kahit di mo man pinapansin. Huwag mangamba, di kita makakalaban pa. Huwag mo lang ipagkait na ikaw ay akin. Thank you so much. Pwede ba ako lumapit doon? Are you ready for this? Ang pag-ibig ay sadyang ganyan. Hello po? Mga paliwanag ko'y di na kailangan. Dati mong pag-ibig wala akong pakialam. Basta't mahal kita kailan pa man. Sabay-sabay. Pwede ba din sabay-sabay? Let's go! Mahal kita, pagkat mahal kita. Inisip nila ay hindi pa talaga mahal kita. Sino? Tarot ba? Woo! Ano sunod? Parang nawawala na. Can I call in some friends? Anyway, oh, here's another friend. Floor is yours.
I was gonna watch you. We having fun? Let's hear it for Sophronia Vasquez, huh? That young man has done so many things for us. with The Voice Season 26, yes? But as I look back, I don't know if you know this, I just celebrated a birthday. If you're wondering what this chair is for, it's very John Pratt's, just so you know. If you've watched any John Pratt show, there's always a throne. This is the biggest one we could find. In my 44 years in show business, if there's anything I'm proud of, it's being able to see such great talents. It's very nice for a singer like myself to see these great talents. So when Anna Ono approached me and said, would you like to do a show with Jed Madela, Jonah, Clarice, and Sofronio? I immediately said yes, because I want to be part of history. 44 years. How many of you were there for all 44 years? Yes? And now I can say, yes? When music was black and white. And now I can say that I did a show with the singers of tomorrow. I had a piece of that. So I'm proud to say that when I accepted this gig, that I get to say I was part of the beginning of their career as they make it to their 44 years. And you'll be there screaming for them, yes? That is my dream, my wish, my birthday wish, is to live long enough to see my children realize their dreams. They're also my children, and I can't wait until they realize their dreams the way I have. But these dreams could never have been reality without each and every one of you. Maraming salamat. Sabi na lang ako, direct ka na. The whole show, dito na ko. It's your birthday, Dapat dito ka. Mamaya. Well, this I can say. Of the many things I've done in my 44 years, I can say this. Of the many things I'm proud of, I'm the only singer in the Philippines. You're all waiting, right? I'm the only singer in the Philippines with a Valentine song. And I never sing it. So, Marvin, just a little, so we can say that we've done it. And if you know it, please sing along. It's so John Pratt. Flowers for you on this lovely evening. Though they have no words, they share my feelings. And as we walk along the avenue, pardon me, I just can't help staring at you. Everybody, you are the one, the only one that I desire. When we touch, when we're one, you light a fire. The seasons we share have the night. There seems to be no time. Each day with you becomes each